Everybody, good afternoon. It's Kate Dorata here. So for today's video, I'm finally gonna be taking you to Zero Point here in Malam Jaba. Before we start this journey, please, my name is Kate Dorata. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification buttons on so I can continue sharing my travel journey to all of you guys. Let me show you the gilid of the daan. Kikita nyo ba yan? Diyos ko, parang real life Game of Thrones. Diba? Assalamualaikum. Singgay. For everybody, if you wanted to have this kind of tour, hopefully, I am already planning to have like a group tour with me. It's gonna be like #travel with Kate Toretto. Pero hindi pa siya finalized kasi I'm still learning a lot. So, hindi ko pa maipapangako na it's gonna be smooth. Marami pang mga struggles na mangyayari for sure. But manifesting as early as this, I am doing it. I'm doing DIY so you don't have to do it. I'm taking it to an adventure with my best friend. Ang best friend ko, una kong client, he trusted me. But we don't trust each other. Because the only thing we trust is
our own self.
Charas.